Namaste everyone, I am Shweta. I welcome you all to our channel Maths Camp. So today's our topic is Roman numbers, rules of Roman numbers, how to write Roman numbers. Okay? Roman numerals are a numeral system that originated in ancient Rome. Numbers in this system are represented by combination of letters from the Latin alphabet. Roman did not have zero in their number system and were not aware of the place value system either. They used only 7 basic symbols for writing numerals. So, we will see which are 7 writing numerals of Romans. Let's see. First, 1 is written as I. 5. 5 is written as V. 10. 10 is written as X. 50. 50 is written as L. 100. 100 is written as C. 500. 500 is written as D. 1000. 1000 is written as M. So remember this. 1 is written as I, 5 as V, 10 as X, 50 as L, 100 as C, 500 as D and 1000 as M. Okay, remember that. Rule number 1. If a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times it occurs. For example, we write I for 1. Okay, if we write 2, so double I. So how many I is added here? 1, 1. Okay, so add 1 in this number. So 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, if you add 1 more I, then it will become 2 plus 1, 3. Likewise, 5 is written as V. If we add 1 I in this 5, then it will become 6. If we add 1 more I, then it will become 7. Likewise. Number 2. If smaller numeral follows a larger numeral, the numbers are added. For example, VI. So which number is bigger? V, because V is 5. So I is followed by 5. So it will be added in the 5. So 5 plus 1, 6. Next, like if it is X double I, then what it will be? X is 10, I is 1 and 1. Double I is followed by X. That's why this 1 and 1 will add in 10. So 10 plus 1, 11 plus 1, 12. So X double I is 12. Similarly, L, X. Okay, L means 50 and X means 10. So X is followed by L. That's why we'll add 50 plus 10. 50 plus 10, 60. Okay, understood? 3. If a smaller number precedes a larger number, the numbers are subtracted. For example, if small number precedes large number, so it will be X is 10, I is 1. If it precedes before large number, then it will subtract from larger number. So 10 minus 1, 9. Similarly, which is larger number V, because it's 5, I is 1. Okay, so I precedes V. That's why we will subtract 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1, 4. So how to write 5? V minus 1, so V I. Okay, understood? Likewise, if we written XL, so which is larger number? L, because L is 50, X is 10. So here X precedes L. So what we'll do is 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10, 40. So how we'll write 40? XL. Understood?
Therefore, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times, but symbol V, L and D are never repeated or subtracted.
So for example, triple X. Triple X means 10, 10, 10. So 10 plus 10, 20 plus 20, 10, 30. So the number repeat only 3 times, not 4 times. So if we want to write 40, can we write 40 like this? No, it's wrong. So how can we write 40? 40 is near to 50. So if we minus 10 from 50, 50 minus 10. So in the last rule we have seen this. 50 is L. We have subtract 10. So 10 will be precedes L. Okay, so 10 is X. You got it? Good. Next.
When a smaller numeral is written in between two large numerals, it is always subtracted from the larger numeral just after it.
So for example, the smaller number is in between two larger numbers. Okay, so one will say the I is after the first X, or one will say the I is before the last X. Okay, so how can we write here is first write 10. 10 will be as it is, but it will always be subtracted from the next larger number from that number. Okay, so X minus X, IX. So X is 10 and I is 1. So it comes before the larger number. So 10 minus 1, 9. So 10 plus 9. So the Roman number is 19. Okay. Next we'll see XIV. So this I will subtract from his next larger number. So X is 10 and IV matlab V is 5, I is 1. So 1 will subtract from 5. So 5 minus 1, 4. So 10 plus 4, 14. So this number suggests 14. Understood? One more example. LIX. So here L is 50, but I will subtract from the next X. Okay, so X, I is 1, X is 10. So 1 will subtract from 10. So 10 minus 1, 9. So 50 plus 9, 59. So this number suggests 59. What we'll need to remember is when the smaller number comes in between the two larger number, it will always subtracted from the next larger number. Understood?
6. I can be subtracted from V and X only.
So what they say in the rule? I can be subtracted from V and X only. So if I can only write IV, so it is 4. I can only write IX, it's right 9. But I cannot subtract IL. So 50 minus 1, I cannot subtract likewise. Or I cannot subtract 100 minus 1. Or I cannot subtract 500 minus 1. I can only subtract 1 I from V and X, means only from 10 and 5. Remember that.
X can be subtracted from L and C only.
What they say is X can be subtracted from L and C only. So X only comes before L and C. So it is XL, that is 40, or XC, that is X is 10, C is 100. So 100 minus 10, 90. But we cannot subtract X from D. So like XD, can we write XD? No, we cannot minus 10 from 500. We cannot write 490 as an XD. No, we cannot. Or we cannot write X before M. So we cannot write XM. That's wrong. Okay. So only remember that X can be subtracted only from L and C. Remember that.
C can be subtracted from D and M only.
Next, C can be subtracted from D and M only. So we can only write D, C. That is D is 500, C is 100. So C comes before D. So we'll subtract 100 from 500. So 500 minus 100, 400. Okay. So we can subtract C with C from D, right? Next, we can subtract C from M. M is 1000. C is 100. So can we subtract 100 from 1000? Yes. 100 from 1000, 900. So for 900 we can write CM. Okay. But we cannot subtract C from L or X or V or I. Okay. Remember that. Next. Okay. So we'll see how to write 1 to 10 in Roman numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So first, 1 is written as I. 2 is written as double I. Very good. 3 is written as 3 times I. Can we write 4 as 4 times I? No. It was rule number 2 or 3. Yes. We can repeat a number only 3 times. So how to write 4? Okay. First we will write 5. 5 is written as V. So 4 comes before 5. So we get 5 minus 1. It will be 4. So 1 is I and V as 5. Next 6 comes after 5. So we can write VI. 7 as V double I. 8 as V triple I. So can we write 9 as a V 4 times I? No, we cannot repeat the number after 3 digits. Okay. So left 9. How to write 10? 10 as X. So 9 comes before 10. So it will be I X. Understood how we have written 1 to 10? Okay. Example. Now 126. So first step for this is expand the number. So how we expand? 1 is at hundreds place. So write 100 plus 2 is at tens place. So 2, 20 and 6 is ones place. So it will be 6. Okay. Now 100 can be written as C. Write C. 20. 20 is, there is no 20. So how can we write 20 here is, can we write 20 as 2 times 10? Yes, we can. So 2 times 10 is 2 times x. 6. So there is no 6. How to write 6? Can we write 6 as 5 plus 1? Yes, we can. So 5 is v and 1 is I. So how to write 126 is C double X V I. Next we will see 279. So how to write 279? First expand the number. 2 is at hundreds place. So 2 is 200 plus 7 is at tens place. So it will be 70 and 9 is at ones place. So it will be 9. Okay. So how to write 200? 200 can be written as 2 times 100. Yes. So 2 times 100 means 2 times C. So 2 times C. 70. How can we write 70? 50 plus 20 can we write? 50 plus 20. So 50 is L plus 20. So we'll write 20 after 50. Okay. So 20. How can we write 20? 2 times 10. So write 2 times X. And how to write 9? 9 comes before 10. So it will be preceded by 1. So 9 is IX. So how to write 279? 279. Got it? Easy hai? Next we'll see. Next number is 438. Our first step is expand the number. 4 is at hundreds place. So 400 plus 3 is at tens place. So it will be 30 plus 8. 8 as it is. Okay. So how can we write 400? Can we write 100 as a 100 at 4 times? No, we cannot repeat the number after 3. So what we'll need to do is 500 minus 100. So 500 is D. So write D minus 100. So we'll prefix or it will be suffix? Prefix. Very good. So prefix X is, 100 is C. So C will be written before D. Next 30. 30 can be written as 3 times 10. So 3 times 10 is X. So write 3 times X. Next 8 can be written as 5 plus 3. So 5 is V and 3 can be written as 3 times 1. So Roman number for 438 is C D triple X V triple I. समझा आपको? Next example is 2017. First step is expand the numbers. So 2 is at thousands place. So it will be 2000. 0 है तो 0 नहीं लिखना है. 10 will be 10 plus 7 as it is. Okay. So how can we write 2000? 1000 as a 2 times. Okay. So what is 1000? M. So write M is 2 times. Then 10. How can we write 10? X. So write X. And 7 as a 5 plus 2. 5 is V. So write V. And 2 can be written as 2 times I. So write 2 times I. So 2017 can be written as M double M X V double I in Roman. You got it? Okay. So first example is, so how can we convert this number into Hindu Arabic number? Simple. L stands for 50. So write 50 plus V stands for 5 and I stands for 1. Okay, so I is followed by V, so that's why we have added. But what if it is like this? Then we have subtracted 1 from 5. Okay, so add these numbers. 50 plus 5 plus 1, 56. And what will be this number? L is 50 and we subtract 1 from 5 because I is precedes 5. So 5 minus 1, 4. So 54 is written as LIV and 56 is written as LVI. Okay, next we'll see example double I. Okay, how to write? M stands for 1000. So write 1000 plus D stands for 500. So write 500 plus L stands for 50. So write 50. X stands for 10. So write 10. Double I. Double I means 2 times 1. So it is 2. Add these numbers 2, 6, 5, 1. So 1562 is the conversion of MDLX II. We'll see one more example, DCCCLV. So how to convert this number into Indo-Arabic? D stands for 500. So write 500 plus 3 times C. 3 times C means 3 times 100. So that will be 100 into 3, 300. We can also write here is D is followed by 3 times C. So D is 500 plus 3 times C is 300. So 500 plus 3, 800. The same as it is. Okay. Then L stands for 50. So add 50 plus V stands for 5. Add these numbers 5, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. So 855 can be written as DCCCLV in Roman. So today we have learned what is Roman number, rules of Roman number, how to write Hindu Arabic number into Roman number, and how to convert Roman number into Hindu Arabic. Okay, if you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Please press the bell icon to get the instant notification for my next videos. Keep watching, keep spamming. Thank you so much.